Dr. V. Shanta, Chairman, Cancer Institute, WIA, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. To Mr. A. Mahalingam, Twintech Healthcare Academy, Chennai, 30th October 2019. Greetings from Dr. V. Shanta, Cancer Institute, WIA, Chennai. Thank you for requesting a message on the occasion of Conclave on Pain Management and Palliative Care Advances to be held under the auspices Twintech Healthcare Academy. I append below a few thoughts on the subject, palliative care and pain management. Thank you for the opportunity to share some of my thoughts on pain relief and advances in palliative care. Congratulations on your organizing a conclave on the subject. There is no doubt that there is increasing awareness about the need for palliative care and related issues. Palliative care is a specialty today. It is time to ponder on what has been achieved. I am sorry that we do not have reliable data on the subject. Successful palliative care is determined by the family satisfaction which can be documented. A major deficiency that I notice is the lack of humanity, social justice, and medical ethics in the graduate and postgraduate curricula. This seems to be a major component of a good doctor-patient relationship, but is lacking in today's practice. The success of palliative care is measured not only by the degree of pain relief or symptom control, but the satisfaction of the family. To watch the agony of pain can be most distressing. It is this distress caused by agonizing pain due to lack of adequate pain control in a young sister in 1923 that evoked the dream of a cancer hospital in the mind of Dr. Muthulakshmi Reddy. She was a legend in her lifetime and founder of the Cancer Institute, WIA, at Chennai, the second in the country. We have to satisfy the patient and the near and dear. Medical professionals, especially a palliative care professional, must be an embodiment of patience, compassion, and empathy. The human touch, which alone can bring a smile and hope. Hope never dies. Sincerely yours, Dr. V. Shanta, Chairman, Cancer Institute, WIA, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Letter from Dr. K. Ramanarayanan, Chairperson, Manipal University, Jaipur. 16th October 2019. Dear Mr. Mahalingam, the commendable initiative of Twintech Academy and RMD Palliative Care focuses on a very relevant but often neglected area in healthcare. Healthcare will be meaningful and will meet its objectives only when it stretches out and effectively reaches across to the old, feeble, and weaker sections of society. I am delighted to note that Twintech Healthcare Academy and RMD Palliative Care, the two pioneers in their fields, have embarked on this niche exercise of educating and training health professionals on the nuances and intricacies of treating the elderly through efficient palliative care leading to their optimum health and cheer. This is both timely and timeless, timely in context of its dire need today, timeless in terms of the everlasting impact it will have on the geriatric population. I am sure that this laudable venture would go a long way in improving the health and living conditions of the elderly. I wish every success for rewarding deliberations and learning experiences. Warmest wishes, Dr. K. Ramanarayanan, Chairperson, Manipal University, Jaipur. Letter from Sri Banwarilal Purohit, Governor, Tamil Nadu, Raj Bhavan, Chennai, November 1, 2019. Message. It gives me immense pleasure to learn that Twintech Healthcare Academy and RMD Academy for Health, Chennai, are jointly organizing a seminar on pain management and palliative care advances on 18th November 2019 at Chennai and is bringing out a souvenir to mark the occasion. Society at large, especially the medical fraternity, has a moral and professional responsibility of ensuring the physical and mental well-being of our senior citizens whom we respect and adore by providing them customized health care, moral support, and comfort. Palliative care is emerging as a key branch of healthcare, although it still has not received its due importance. I am sure that this conference will enlighten and educate healthcare professionals in dispensing specialized care to the aged and inculcate the human values of love, care, and concern for the aged. I congratulate the organizers for focusing on a very humanitarian branch of healthcare, namely palliative care. I convey my best wishes for the success of the conference and extend my warm greetings to the participants. Banwarilal Purohit.
Letter from Dr. Harshvardhan, Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. I am very pleased to learn that Twintech Healthcare Academy is organizing a conclave on pain management and palliative care on 18th November 2019 at Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Twintech Academy is engaged in offering practical and implementable solutions in the areas of healthcare education and training. It is applaudable that they are providing training to healthcare professionals to serve the senior citizens. This conclave, I am informed, will have sessions addressed by the stalwarts from this field of pain management and palliative care and will be attended by delegates from across the country. I am hopeful that the conference will provide a platform to exchange the expertise, experience of medical fraternity to update their knowledge and skills, improving quality of health service delivery. Felicitations to Twintech Academy and its dedicated team for their years of service and success. For the years to come, I wish all the best to the entire team who have contributed significantly to the growth of the organization and rendered tireless service to the people. Signed by Dr. Harsh Vardhan.